Hello students. So let us start with the next chapter, that is Haldi's adventure. So this story we'll see it is about a girl named Haldi and a giraffe, right? So let us move on to the story. One morning, as Haldi went to the school, she met a giraffe. While Haldi was going to the school, whom did she met? Whom did she meet? She met a giraffe, right? So now the giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. So now what was the giraffe having? He was having he was wearing big glasses and he also had book in his hand, right? So he smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi." What is giraffe saying to Haldi? Giraffe is wishing Haldi good morning, right? Now Haldi looked up at him. "I am sorry to stare," she said, "but I have never met a giraffe like you." Now Haldi is surprised to see the giraffe with glasses and books, right? So she is saying giraffe that I am sorry to stare at you. Stare is to look continuously, right? I am sorry to stare at you, but I have never met a giraffe like you. This is what Haldi is saying to the giraffe, right? So, my name is Smiley, said the giraffe. The giraffe is now telling the name. What is the name? The name of the giraffe is Smiley. Whenever you see me, you will smile. Haldi was surprised and happy too. Now, yes, the giraffe's sayings were true. The giraffe said that whenever you'll see me, you'll smile, and that was happening with Haldi. Haldi was surprised and happy to see that giraffe with goggles, with glasses and the books, right? So then she remembered that she would be late for the school. Now she was going to school, but suddenly she met giraffe, so she stood there and she started staring and introducing herself to giraffe, right? So she said to the giraffe, "I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I'll be late." The Haldi, what is Haldi saying now? That she is happy to meet the giraffe and she would like to meet the giraffe again, but now she has to rush to school as she'll be late to school, right? The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I'll run so fast that you'll feel you're flying to school. Do you go to school every day?" Now the giraffe is, what is the giraffe saying? That you can come on my back, I'll drop you to school, and how will you feel when you're on my back? You'll feel like you are flying. And also the giraffe is asking that, "Do you go to school every day?" Now what is Haldi replying? "Yes," said the Haldi, "yes, I go to school every day." And thus this is Haldi is now saying all the days of the week that I go to school from Monday to Fridays. On Saturdays I play games at school, right? This is Haldi. This is what Haldi is saying to the giraffe. "What do you do in school?" asked the giraffe. Now the giraffe wants to know that what was Haldi always doing in school. So now Haldi is saying that I learn about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals. Whatever Haldi had learned, whatever she had learned in his school, what is Haldi? Now what is she saying? Whatever Haldi had learned in her school, right? She replied to giraffe that I learn about the stars, trees, birds and the animals, right? Now that is good, said the giraffe. Now giraffe is saying, "Oh wow, you're learning all these things, so that is good. I love books too." Giraffe is also fond of books. They are lots of funny, right? Now jump on my back, I'll take you to the school. After that talk, now giraffe is saying, "Come, jump on my back and I'm going to drop you to the school." Haldi then jumped on the giraffe's back and found that she could see so many things from the top. Now giraffe, everyone knows giraffe is very tall, right? When Haldi climbed up, what is now Haldi feeling? What is the Haldi seeing? Right? What is she seeing? That she can see all the things from the top, and before she knew, she had reached the school playground. And as soon as Haldi sat on giraffe's back, immediately the next moment she was in school playground. She climbed down. When she turned the back to thank giraffe, she found that he had gone. So the giraffe was so fast that after getting down, when she was turning back to say thank you to the giraffe, what happened? The giraffe had gone away. Oh, Haldi thought, what a wonderful adventure I have had. So now Haldi is saying, what a nice adventure it was to come to school on giraffe's back, right? It was an experience. She was feeling that she was flying that day, right? So this was the story about the girl named Haldi and the giraffe whose name was Smiley.